Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a rice hair mask updated. Soak 1 cup of rice in 2 cups of water, strain, and collect the milky water for processing. I walk you through fermenting options, blending methods, and dilution tips for different hair types. You will learn how often to apply the mask, how long to leave it, and simple storage advice so results are consistent and safe. Measure rice and water precisely and keep your prep area clean to avoid contamination. Rinse the rice briefly, then soak it for at least 30 minutes to release starches. For fermentation, leave the strained rice water at room temperature until it slightly sours, then refrigerate. Blend or whisk for a smoother mask, and mix any optional oils or aloe to match your hair's needs before applying for best results and comfort. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated anywhere and prevents spills while you prep and wait for your rice mask to work, making bathroom time less messy. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one easily. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Apply the rice hair mask to damp, cleaned hair and gently massage it in without tugging. Cover with a shower cap or warm towel to help penetration, and time the treatment based on your hair's tolerance to avoid irritation. Rinse with cool to lukewarm water, then use a mild conditioner if hair feels dry. Repeat the treatment once a week to start, and adjust frequency based on strength and shine improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.